Hello, good evening. Alright, I'm going to try to make this into some sort of an actual map. It's way too big right now. I want to add some objects in, but before I do that, the terrain is what really defines it. When I started placing these rocks, I started realizing it's way too big. It's hard to decide, like, before you even build it, how big you want everything to be. 10,000 is probably way too big. 1,000 is probably much more reasonable. So now I wonder what driving across this is like. What if we put our player in this? So where is our player? Nice, there we go. Okay, so this might work. Yeah, actually, I think this is gonna work. Let's see. I'm gonna put the player farther back in, or closer up. There we go. So I have to decide how I actually want this to go. Before I said anytime you hit anything like the ground, it'll do damage to your ship. If I'm gonna do that, then I need to have like so one of the annoying things right now is if you point forward, it still goes down because there's gravity. And so I'm just thinking, I was like, okay, what if I like compensate for gravity and constantly add an upward force? And then I was like, wait. What if I just make there be no gravity because the only thing in the game is these ships? So there doesn't even need to be gravity. Yeah, nice. Alright, so I want to get this now so that your head isn't linked to this. This isn't realistic. I'm also thinking whether or not I should make this move faster. But it's like the how fast movement feels is relative to the size of everything around you. So the reason like part of the reason like this will feel fast if I'm on the ground like this where you can see the sand rushing by. Actually, I guess maybe it could go faster. Do I have it set to 30 right now or what? A max speed of 30. I'm thinking if I design the map with more close-up objects, you have to dodge. I still don't know if I want more drag on the ship as well. Right now it's got kind of this like drifting. Alright, so one of the things that isn't is the way it turns instantly like this. So what's actually I'm gonna have is when you turn, like it actually looks around, like the look is gonna be the look and where you want to aim is gonna be decoupled from the ship. But my issue is then yeah. There'll be a bunch of cases you probably do want your aim to be locked straight onto the ship, so I don't know. I'm also thinking of just messing with gameplay right now, like just adding these cubes back in as something to dodge, and then maybe counting the number of times I hit the ship. Alright, I guess I'll just make some cubes to dodge. I could do rocks as well. I think I'm gonna put music on for a bit. Yeah, so the drag does make it kind of difficult to dodge. Alright, I'm gonna add to the script and make it count how many times you get hit. And maybe even put out something that says, like, you lose. I guess maybe I should represent it as health. So it should exit now when you get hit too many times. Oh my god, I already got hit 3 times. Oh. Yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with the movement system so far. I'm gonna see how it works when I decouple the look. Pretty good at controlling it now, though. I just want to test and make sure this works. I guess application.quit doesn't work when you're in editor mode. Alright, so I'm not going to do a chunk system or anything like this. wait, I was thinking I need to set the pod mesh, but I actually need to set the camera. I can't remember how to set direction based off the velocity forward. Or if there's even a way to do that. I have to look at the Unity docs. I think it's quaternion look at. Yeah, look rotation. Alright, that should have decoupled the look from the ship. Let's see. Oh my god, yep. Wow. Okay, that's trippy, but that actually works. I wonder how that'll be in VR. So what I will end up doing is adding keyboard controls or whatever. So you can look separately. But I think some people will like doing this. Oh my god. Did I forget to put in... Huh. I think I know what that is, but I'm not really certain. Oh god, Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay, so... I think what's happening there is the look rotation is spinning around. I wonder if there's a way to stop that. How do I detect that? Oh. I think it's flipping your camera. I need to look at what setting rotation does. I think I might need to offset this value. We'll see. Oh wait, this needs to be in Euler angles, not local Euler angles. Alright. That was it. That was the issue. Never mind, I don't need to do... Oh god, what did I do? What did I do? I guess this is making it not relative to the transform. Okay. Kinda seems like it's working, except for that. Now that's bugging out. Okay, I get it. Euler angles isn't good for representing that in world space. Okay. So I think what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to set this as local and then clamp it as global. That's weird. So it seems just... whatever I'm doing right there... Oh, I was doing Y instead of X. Oh god, no. How do I stop that from happening? How do I detect that? How do I detect that and stop that from happening? I think I can clamp the angle somehow, but I don't know how. Oh god, okay. So I gotta limit that somehow. I don't know if I can actually limit that. So I think what I can do here is I can detect how upwards the angle is, and I can limit, I don't know, limit the turning. I actually don't know. I really just need to find a way to limit the angle, I think. Okay. That I need to figure out how to fix that. Oh god. That didn't work. So it seems like I can still spin it really fast. But it doesn't get messed up anymore. Nice! Okay. So I just need to figure out how to stop it from spinning really fast now. Which I have a theory about, just lowering the velocity. Ow. Alright, what I think I'm gonna need to do is just make the camera separate. Like, trying to tie these into the same object is, I think, where a whole bunch of my issues are coming from. Think about that. Right now I'm setting the main camera. I think I'm gonna try setting the pod racer and then just set the whole transform to the rotation here. So it's local Euler angles. So this might make the pod racer spin around, but stop the camera. So then hopefully I can find a way to stabilize the pod racer. Alright, so that's sideways. Hey, Namori. So, hopefully I can just change this by changing the up direction. Maybe it's that simple. it might not be that simple. Okay, that looks a bit better. I think it's forward. I think forward is the right axis. No. I don't know if you can tell, but the ship is upside down. I'm trying to set it to the velocity based off look rotation, but I need to find the right vectors. I guess I could just apply a rotation. So that's sideways. So which way is the proper way? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna need to apply a rotation, which is okay. I just think because I know why it is. It's because the ship isn't pointing forward on the z-axis. I could swear changing the up vector would fix it, but I guess not. Maybe I do need a rotation. Yeah, I tried all of them. So let's just try Euler. I think this was the... like that. Yeah, okay. Other way around. 270, 90. Alright. Hopefully this will work. Nice. Alright, let's see if it fixed our issue before. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, yeah. It's not bugging out at all. Did you see, Namori, were you here when it was bugging out? When if I pointed it up, it would spin around insanely fast? No, I just come. Well, it's working way better now. Trying to create custom control, yeah. Now I'm working on like the view because I'm trying to make it so that it's like I don't know how to explain it. It's like where you it's gonna have decoupled aiming and look. Like on VR, for example, and on controller, you may just be able to look around where you want. I think a lot of people will want to use this mode though, where it aims where you look. I also added a basic game system. If you see at the bottom, it says lose. When I hit too many things, it counts how much damage I've done. Oh yeah, I turned shadows off this. Oh yeah, this was the issue. The glass here doesn't. I don't want the glass here to cast shadows. Oh, there's a receive shadows. Is there cast shadows? My issue is I want this to cast shadows, but I don't want the glass to. Whatever. Hold on, I'm gonna go get water. What is this shadow? Hold on. Why is the shadow for this so small? Do I just have too low resolution shadows? Maybe it's because it's not on two-sided. I think my shadow quality is just I have 4096 shadow quality. Oh wait, no cascades isn't gonna render. Oh my god. Yeah, it's just, I guess, low quality. Wait, is the glass actually not I actually don't think the glass is contributing to shadows. Hold on. Oh my god. That's actually what I want to happen. Oh, great. Okay. Transparent objects don't cast shadows, which is actually what I want to happen. It's so weird. I like can't even see the glass right now. Did I like turn off the glass or something? No, I guess it's just really hard to see right there. Alright, I think I want to try this in VR. I'm just thinking, um, I'm gonna need to use main camera.forward for this because that'll be the VR camera. And then this will need to be turned off for VR. Um, oh god, I hope it doesn't import all of the packages. I should have I should have actually just gone and installed the OpenVR package from the package manager. This might install all the packages like Oculus. Yep. Yep. It did. Of course. Nah. Bye, Oculus. Okay. So now this should be pretty easy. Just add cam. Wait, where is OpenVR? Did it not add the OpenVR scripts? What? I actually don't get Unity Engine. Some of this stuff is just... So let me look up I might have been using the deprecated OpenVR. Package is deprecated and will be removed. Yeah, so actually this looks like it. That's weird. What happened to... What happened to the camera offset? Hold on, wait a minute. Let me go and look at... What is my other folder here? Wait, what is this package that I had here? OpenVR standalone. Is that the same thing? Yeah, it's the same thing. It looks like. I'm so confused. Is there another package there that I missed that's important? VS Code, render pipelines, test framework, XR legacy input helpers. I wonder if it's XR legacy input helpers. Include tracked pose driver for legacy input system, XR binding seeding tool, 3 depth of field ARM model support, tracked pose driver's behavior that enables game objects to track input devices. The XR binding seeding tool adds a menu under the assets menu which populates the input asset with Unity's cross-platform input bindings. This was what I needed. Or what I wanted. And this is nice because this also tells me how to directly access the data from the VR trackers. Okay, so now we can do camera offset. So one of the difficult things that I'm going to struggle with here is trying to stop the camera from going outside of the ship, because this is going to be able to offset the camera. It's most likely going to push it outside of the ship if I move my head a far amount. So that's actually a tricky thing I've seen in a few VR games. So Skyrim VR, I've noticed it like pushes your if you like go and try to walk through a wall, it will like teleport you backwards abruptly. So see if that happens. All right, I'm gonna put in VR. So it's gotta calibrate tracking quickly. Because I'm in a dark room, it doesn't calibrate well. Alright, so now launching should launch into VR. Hold on. I figured out a better way to do this. Getting this in like a nice spot. I don't know how I did it. Where this was like... Oh god, what did I do with the inspector? Oh god. Okay, here we go. There we go. Oh my god, okay, that's what I was going for. Alright, let's see if this works. What just happened? Invalid editor window, no camera container specified for VR. It seems like it failed to load OpenVR. It didn't launch Steam VR. Okay, let's try again. No, no, it's okay for whatever reason. Okay, Steam VR crashed. I looked in my headset and Steam VR is frozen. Oh, wait. So you can actually see here the Steam VR server is sitting here. I gotta force end the process. Alright, hopefully this will work now. I'm just thinking, let's make sure everything's working in VR. Yep. Tracking is all good. Okay. Come on, Steam VR. I just saw the Steam VR window flicker. Create eye textures, multipass mode will be used. Invalid editor window, fallback editor window. Wait, maybe maximize on play doesn't... I'm so confused. It doesn't work? Oh, wait. I'm so confused. It didn't launch Steam VR. So is it running through Windows Mixed Reality right now? There's some things I gotta experiment with. And so that flashing, is it losing tracking? Yeah, so there's two VR servers. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna restart Unity because I think it's like, I think it's trying to communicate with like a Steam VR server that's not there or something. And so what's interesting to me actually in VR was there's actually less field of view. So did it crash? It crashed, of course. I actually need to put it farther back in the spaceship. Or the pod racer, whatever it's called. So this is so weird. It seems like if I don't if I resize this, it doesn't play in VR properly. I don't know what's up with that. So I'm just thinking, I think I'm going to try this again. I think I'll move Pod Racer a bit forward. So yeah, I'm like offset inside. And the camera position isn't stable. Man, VR is really difficult. I gotta say though, Unity's working okay. Oh my god, I think there's a dead pixel on my headset. Hold on. I gotta wipe this off and see. Maybe it's just dust. If there's a dead pixel, I'm gonna be disappointed. No, I think it was just dust. Alright, so it's so hard for me to tell why the player position. Like, I actually think I just need to reset the camera position each frame. Because I don't know what else I can do. It just becomes like offset from the pod. I also want to make it so that when you turn left, like right now I actually need to, if I want to turn the ship completely around, I actually need to turn completely around. I want to make it so that it turns with the headset, which is actually a bad way of doing it right now, but it's how I want to do it. VR development though is like so janky. I'm just gonna try just setting this to like 0. Like, what if I just go and I just set the camera local position to 0, will that just stop the VR movement? And then I also gotta think, so this uses the main camera forward. This uses main camera forward. The main camera. Okay, and yeah, this rotates the pod racer. So in VR, oh, this is gonna be. So I'm gonna need like a separate camera. Maybe I can rotate the main camera. Oh my god, yeah, so I'm gonna need like a second. I'm gonna need like an offset for the main camera. Just for VR. I think. And the other thing is because I can't lock the VR, like so I can lock this angle. I wonder what I'm gonna do with VR where I can't lock it to like 80 degrees or 70 degrees. I guess one thing at a time. I don't think this local position is gonna work. I think I'm gonna need to put a new child in player and then put the main camera under that and then offset that. But we'll see. Nope, it didn't work. It did not work. I wonder, can I turn off VR just by doing no target eye? Nice. Actually, seems like that doesn't work. This is weird. Why is there a camera offset now? Is that because of me setting the local position to 0? Wait, what? So is the VR camera offset still applying even when... What? Oh my god, I just realized the player actually needs to be lined up basically in the center of the pod racer so that it rotates around him, otherwise it has that effect. Oh no. Math is hard. So I'm actually going to need to think about how I do this. So I can't put the main camera in the pod racer. Because... Okay, I think I know what I have to do. I think I have to like measure a position local to the pod racer where like this seat is and place the camera position there. But then the camera rotation needs to be independent of that. So this starting point for the camera is actually really good. It's like right in the center of the chair. I want to see if there's a Unity function for position relative to transform. There should be a pretty simple way to do this. If not, I should just be able to like apply the transform. Inverse transform point. Transforms position from world space to local space. Oh, so I want this transform point. I'm almost feeling like I shouldn't even have the main camera assigned to player. I don't really need to, but I guess it makes it way easier to manage having them all one game object. Okay, so I want to set the position to pod racer transform point. So this negative 0.8 seems to be the position. Nope. Maybe I'm thinking the wrong way. Maybe it isn't. Oh, wait, the position is rotated. So I guess I'll have to try a few different spots until I find what works. Alright, that seems to be to the right. So maybe this one is what I'm looking for. Oh yeah, here we go. So now you're constantly in the chair. Alright, and I think that same thing will apply for VR. So if I try this in VR, maybe I'll stay in the chair now. No, it's still bugging out. Weird. Like I can't set the position in VR. Yeah, and the rotation in VR is still the one way. Camera offset. Children of prefab instance cannot be deleted or removed. You can open the prefab in prefab mode to restructure the prefab asset itself or unpack the prefab instance. Wait, what? That just deleted, like... I need to, How do I How do I unbind it from a prefab? Unbind prefab. Simple way to disconnect a prefab is to add a component. Wait, what? I would intentionally break a prefab connection. Select game object, go into menu, break prefab instance. I am confused. Oh my god. An above updated method, right click the method and select unpack prefab. Okay, it's called unpack now. Oh my god. Unpack completely. And it still didn't unpack completely. Oh my god. Alright. Finally. Thank you. So I need to think about how I want to apply this. So in XR, I'm gonna need to like counteract the main camera's transform. So it's gonna need to be like camera offset position equals this transform minus the main camera, but only if XR is enabled. Alright. Now, how do I apply the rotation of this? I guess it's. I only need to apply it when it's XR. My issue is. How much of the rotation do I apply? Do I just make. I'm just gonna try setting it to the pod racer rotation. Alright, let's see how scuffed this is. I should maybe check this outside VR mode first, but. Oh god, no, Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oh my lord. What is happening? Oh god. Oh my god. Nope. That ain't it. That ain't it. Oh god. That was motion sickness. So that, Alright, I'll try just the position to begin. Trying to get the rotation working might have been too much. Oh, nice. The position works now. So that jumping and flashing is my VR headset losing tracking because it's dark in my room and the tracking's really bad. So that's yeah, that's part of the VR experience. Okay, that works though. So how do I turn it around so that in VR you don't need to turn your head? How do I do that? Camera offset dot rotation equals pod racer dot rotation. See, it's probably this Euler rotation that I apply that actually messes stuff up. Let's try without that. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, it's kind of working. This is considered forward, which is really scuffed. So I need to like do some automatic detection of what is forward. Oh god. And so I guess this bug exists in VR. I don't know how I would solve that in VR when I can't clamp the rotation. I guess in VR, look to move just won't be a thing. Oh my god, though, I actually feel like VR is gonna be too scuffed in this. Looks like normalized bug. It's the wrong up vector. I need to apply a different rotation like this to the local rotation. Or the proper way to do it in like VR is that I actually detect what direction you look in the VR, like in VR when you start up at like the menu screen. I detect like what your default looking position is and I use that as the default position. But I don't really have any way of doing that right now because it just instantly starts the game. Man, VR is actually so fucking crazy difficult. It seems to have done nothing. You can use shape rotation as up vector, I think. Shape rotation. I don't want to change the up vector. Oh, interesting. That's a different kind of scuffed. Because I'm already calculating the look rotation with just a constant up vector, and I'd just rather just apply a Euler rotation if I can. Oh, okay. Maybe I did need to apply some sort of rotation similar to this. I know how to fix it. I just gotta apply the right rotation. I'm just not sure which one. Oh god, Jesus Christ. Oh my god. So that is one thing that I haven't figured out how to fix. Is I think the only solution to not having that flash around like that is to have the actual like movement direction done with a controller and not based off your look. It's actually interesting to me like that gets gimbal lock issues though. I wasn't I guess quaternions are hard. Should check this outside VR first. Yeah, then I thought about it and I was like, the whole reason I'm testing this is to try and get it working with VR. Nope. I wonder if I can just change the code right here. Will that throw any errors? Nice. Oh my god, it's working. There we go. Oh god, oh no. Okay, so yeah, that. Okay, so the look to move is horrible for VR. I'm definitely gonna want to add controller support because looking down like this is brutal. But so far, this is actually really good. And oh my god, I totally have a dead pixel. Holy shit. Wait. Is it a dead pixel or is it a scratch on my lens? I keep seeing it just at specific angles when it like catches a glare. Either way, I think this actually works pretty good. Looks pretty good. Alright. Yep. I can't glitch through anything. Dead pixel, not nice. The other thing is, it very well just like likely could be dust. Oh, I can't. Oh god, Unity just crashed. Huh. Well, I was gonna stop for the night anyways. It just completely hard crashed. Like the VR, yeah, the VR server is still running. Well, yeah, that's the other thing though. The way like the VR lens work, if you get just like a little bit of dust, the lens can like focus light and catch the dust and make it just super bright. All right, I'm happy with that though. Like that was pretty well functioning VR. It didn't have any of the bugs of like glitching your camera through. The only thing was that sort of gimbal lock when you go straight up or down, and that could easily be solved by switching the controls over to the actual controller. So yeah, that's actually really good. So this is a lot of what this practice is going to be, is just literally working through these basic issues of like VR and 3D development. I'm definitely going to try to do more map development tomorrow, but I don't want to make any of these promises about stream because I say that I'm going to stream one day and I don't. And then I don't say that I'm going to stream and then I stream for like 8 hours. So it's like, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you around. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Hope you had a good day, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.